This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Do not use compressed air to blow off brake dust. Remove the upper and lower caliper mounting bolts. Pull the caliper off of the mounting bracket, then hang it with a piece of wire. Don't allow the caliper to hang by the brake hose. Remove the outer and inner brake pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower brake pad retaining clips. Inspect the retaining clip mounting surface on the caliper mounting bracket. Make sure it is free of debris and clean it if it is necessary. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. If necessary, remove some of the fluid to prevent overflowing. Properly discard the fluid removed, as new brake fluid of the correct type must be used when refilling the reservoir. Install the pad retaining clips to the mounting bracket. They should fit snugly into their respective grooves. If they don't, replace them with the correct type. If desired, apply anti-squeal compound to the new pads, then install the backing plates. Allow the compound to set for a few minutes before installing the pads. Pull the two caliper guide pins out of their sleeves and clean them, then lubricate them with high-temperature brake grease. Replace any guide pins that are damaged. Also inspect the rubber boots for cracks and tears, replacing any that may be damaged. Install the guide pins back into the mounting bracket, fully seating the rubber boots onto the bracket. Apply a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to the ends of the pads, avoiding contact with the pad friction material. Then install the new inner and outer pads to the mounting bracket. Install the caliper onto the mounting bracket. If the caliper won't fit over the pads, use a C-clamp and a block of wood or an old brake pad to push the piston into the caliper a little further. Thread in the caliper mounting bolts. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the max mark in the reservoir.